Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making a veggie dip. Now, it's Easter. My friends are cooking. I gotta bring stuff to the potluck, and I'm doing the vegetables. So I've got a couple vegetable episodes I'm filming today. The first one is the veggie dip episode. Yay! So I did what everybody does when they're asked to bring a vegetable dip that they make themselves. I went to the Google. I said, hey Google, what's the best vegetable dip? And I got couple results back. I took the top two and I kind of looked at them, put them together. The first thing you do is take a cup of mayonnaise and mix it with a cup of sour cream. That didn't come out. Jerkins, cut that. The base recipe here is from All Recipes. It's like Mom's Delicious Dip or something like that. Jerkins, give me the real title of the freaking recipe, or like right here, because I'm not looking at it. Then I saw another one that was very similar with different proportions. And the only real difference is one, volume, which is a big difference, and two, ranch dip, which I'm not trying to ranchify this, so it'll be okay. So we've got our cup of both sour cream and mayonnaise. Kind of gross looking, to be honest with you. I'm gonna say you need to add some black pepper. I'm gonna give it a few twists. Now the black pepper wasn't in the recipe that I'm using, but it was in another recipe, and besides that, black pepper is delicious. Next up, we got some seasoning salt. I'm using Mike Lowry. No, Bad Boys, no, okay. 2 teaspoons of seasoning salts. Again, use your favorite seasoning salt. So next up, we've got our onion, which we're grating. The reason you grate the onion is so that you don't wind up with big hunks of onion in your dip, and it more distributes it evenly, makes it less obvious that, hey, there's big chunks of raw onion in here. So I'm gonna throw in 2 teaspoons of my grated onion. I'm gonna save this other half of the onion for the asparagus I'm making later. Different episode. Okay, next up we want a few tablespoons of fresh dill. So I've got my dill here, I've gotten it down to the thinner stems. I'm just gonna go ahead and mince my dill up. As with most things on this show, I'm gonna go until I get bored of chopping dill, and then I'm gonna give up in despair, settle, and decide that that is good enough for my dip. Don't let perfect be the enemy of good. If you're not having a good time, do what you need to do. Get out, get it done. Right? Right. 1, a 2, a 3, adjacent. A 3. Next, we're gonna do the same thing with some parsley. I'm thinking like a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Okay, as has previously been stated, I'm bad at herbs. I can kind of fake it with the dill because dill looks good no matter what you do, but parsley is just better if I machine chop it. Even then it doesn't look good. See, it still doesn't look good. All that machine did was bruise it more. I quit cooking. I'm gonna learn how to eat fire or something. Seriously though, if anybody has any tips for how to do this in a way that's not stupid, please let me know. Because that was pretty dumb. Okay. Now I'm just gonna stir all this crap together, right? A little more pepper. Okay, we're gonna give it an official test. This is a baby carrot. Please keep in mind, baby carrots don't actually exist. They're just shaved down ugly carrots to make them more sellable. Still a little bland. I'm gonna add a little bit of Mike Lowry seasoning salts. Okay, I like that a little better. Next, we're gonna put it in a size appropriate bowl. Straighten it out as much as we can. Cover that with plastic wrap and fridge it till we need it. Supposedly it gets better the longer you let the flavors meld together. Now the carrots are already ready to eat. Everything else, wash and dry. Make sure you peel the stickers off. They are edible, but you don't need to eat them. Then cut them all up. I recommend finger food size, because they're finger foods. Then you just cut everything up, arrange it to the best of your ability, and you're ready to go. I'm gonna go pack this up. Like, subscribe, click that little bell, and I'll see you next week. Bye.